Got the carts out. Alright everybody, we got all the stickers off. Of course there's none on the hood that I know of. Better look. Be a good idea to look at that, huh? Yeah, just one. That'll be easy to take off later. But we didn't take it off right here because, like I said, we're gonna replace this half fender, half quarter in the door. Get it all straight. Left the headlight decal, the grill package on it. Well, no sense in taking it off. A little bit on the windshield, but got it off. We already got our guys, our people up at Quality Graphics in Oswego, Michigan. They've been lettering our cars for a while now. Done Bobby's car, do our shirts, our hoodies. These do great work. They already sent us a rendering of what we're wanting to put on it, and they'll make pretty quick turnaround of that. Get that coming to us. We're gonna get the car cleaned up and bringing it home. It's dirty, dusty. Get it all cleaned up, polished back. Not really polished because we got to put graphics on, but we are just getting her cleaned up and ready to go. I gotta put the tranny in it, so you can see she's dusty. You know, this wiring and stuff in this car is just phenomenal. Couldn't be happier. It's all quick car, new ignition system. Like I said, there's the fire bottle. It's got a good sweet collapsible steering shaft. The belts are new. It's just an all-around good car. The side of the body's perfectly straight. You know, Matt and them kind of told them what I wanted to do, and that they sent a couple, 3 graphics packages, and their stuff's dialed in, because if they send me a picture that looks just like this car, and the wraps on it and stuff, so we know exactly what it's going to look like on a super late, a street stock. He's got it for them all for the most part, and it looks really good. You know, we're very patriotic, support our troops and stuff here at this channel, especially since, you know, one of us is a troop. Like I said, Cole's deployed out overseas, and when he gets back, he'll be getting in Bobby's car. But I'm gonna pull this door and stuff off here right quick and figure out if there's anything else I gotta replace underneath it, filler panels or anything like that. Get a new straight door on it for when the new graphics get here. I'm gonna set you back up here and get that taken off. Get it done. out up here real quick. Figure out where I laid my drill bit. This car doesn't have floating rivets, which are my favorite rivet to use. I hate the ones that leave the shank or fix the grill out.
Man on a mission, I'ma get it, you know I be on a what? Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I'ma get it, you know I be on the what? Yeah, it's all hard, ain't no fear here. You ain't giving this at all, you steer clear. Never beat, I've been down and I reappear. You got some money on the line, you better put it here. Rolling in and doing that work.
Music licensing reimagined.
Check's big and I'm sure that hurts, but it's checkmate, we ain't selling short, know the work. Ain't nowhere to hide. You ain't gotta see me come and keep me on your mind, cause I be on the work. Yeah. You know I be on the work. Man on a mission, I'ma get it, you know I be on the work. Yeah, man, we coming for them bags that they said I couldn't have, get the 10.
Artlist.io.
Got a vision for the things you ain't believe. And here's the motto, hard work, this over everything. It's that comeback. I'm calling plays, hit the pass, then the run back. Yeah, I'm far ahead and gotta run laps. But we ain't letting up, we never done that. Ain't nowhere to hide. You ain't gotta see me come.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah. You know I be on the way. Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on the way. Yeah, I'm on the way. On the way. Yeah, on the way. I'm on the way. I'm on.
Get you in here, get a better look at the let's see it. Got that crush panel just a little bit, then ain't nothing to straighten out. A little bit in that filler, but it's got a nice oil tank in it. Got several fuel or oil filters, stuff like that. And you can look in here, you can see the detail in the wiring. The man took time to do right. You know, it's just done right. I like it. It's clean. At least it tells you that it's somebody cared with what they were doing. It's got a nice CNR radiator. Plenty of fan power. The only thing I've seen that we're probably going to do is the motor's only a 2-inch setback. We're probably going to move that back to a 4-inch setback. And but other than that, she's pretty much ready to go. It's nice clean work. We're going to get it cleaned up here and ready to rock. Alright, let's get her in here and see what she looks like. And there's decent stuff, no doubt. Everything on this car has been exactly what Sean said it was supposed to be. It is. Had no reason to doubt him now. Just I'm a mechanic daily, so I just want to see stuff like this. Valve covers are really nice, powder coated. They don't make it go fast, but this is showing you care about your shit. now. It's pretty good. Low tie. Oh, it looks like a what brand stud girl that is. Crowder rockers. Nothing out of place. The valve springs, retainers. Like that. Tear that side off right quick. Of course, the stud coming on that one. It's 1516 Crowder. Decent stud girdle, body locks. Shouldn't be no damn it. You just got put back in it. She's a little greasy, but she's well put together car. That's what I like about it. You had her down on the cradle some. Spline bar, well built hair box. Pretty happy with this race car so far.
Whole time?
Worry about having enough light.
Huh? Put it right here, Dad. Why not just put it here?
Hey, you want to film one of the pocket leaves and I show you?
Right here?
I'll put it underneath where you can see what I'm doing. Hey, see this gap right
This?
here? No, you can hold it like you're looking at it. Look through the back. Hold away a little bit. Yeah, everybody. You see this little gap right here?
Yeah.
That's where the gasket is, so we can go in here and
Can I
pry
pry it real quick?
Get started. Man, they got that sealed good. Almost like to take it off now.
Huh?
I said they sealed this pan so good I hate to take it off. But I gotta.
Why?
I want to see something on the inside of the motor.
Well, can I try real quick?
In a minute, once I get it started. I don't want to bend the pan.
Can I pause the filming real quick?
Yeah, if you want.
Ow! What's it looking like?
Oh, look, we got a good piece. Don't put that in that oil.
It ain't in the oil.
I didn't say it was, Cracker Jack.
Guys, we finally got the oil pan off. Here's the inside of it. Outside. Got some shocks, springs. The first time we tried to get, we used the jack to try to jack up the motor. That didn't work because of that spring. Then we got that piece of wood and put it on this. Right about where, Dad?
Yeah.
Right about
The
there.
motor mount.
And oh my God, that light is bright. And we jacked it up, and I hit my head right here. Got a cramp, and I pinched my finger right here with that. Trying to wrestle it out from those two bolts. Right there.
But now we know we can wet sump the motor
Ah, turn
very
that light
easily.
off. Real quick.
And
See.
we don't have to pull the motor out, pull that block off plate off the back of the motor, the back main cap. We put a pump on it, change pans, we're gonna pull the dry sump system out. And then from there we're gonna go ahead.
Hopefully put it in the barn soon.
Yeah, it'll be a little bit. We're
Dang
gonna
it.
get the motor moved back 2 inches.
Wait, what?
Get the Burt put in it. We're gonna put the 4-speed
Transmission.
net clutch and stuff in the street stock for coal. Put a Burt in this. We're gonna go ahead and run it as a limited late. And hopefully either the first race, if we're lucky, is gonna be the Intimidator weekend at Kalamazoo, or New Paris for the Cabin Fever deal, the V8 race they have every year, which is fine. I like both racetracks. Probably be smarter to go to Kalamazoo since I ain't been in a car in 5-6 years, and I haven't raced in
About 2-3 years.
7. Well, no,
the
I guess
street stock.
I ran the street stock one night at
South Bend
South Bend a couple years ago,
with Trenton,
but I didn't.
my brother.
That was a rush deal just to go play race with you and Trenton. You and Trenton.
Well, he lost his transponder, didn't you?
They thought I did, but then I just wanted to go race the same weekend that Caden was running his mini wedge at the time. I'm still in a mini wedge.
That was complicated night.
Yeah, I concentrated on Caden. Didn't really grab a couple times I was even racing, so.
What, there's like 35 street stocks?
No,
I mean, not 35 street stock, mini wedges. We had to split up the races.
yeah, but we're gonna get this slid back now. Motor mounts are ordered. I gotta pick them up from Sherman's.
And my brother won that night, too. The next night.
Oh shoot! We'll take and get that stuff put in. We can go ahead and go to setup.
I show them what it looks like up
Get the
top now,
shocks and stuff. Yeah,
without this oil pan.
you can show me inside the pan. I'm gonna sell
I already
pump. It's a 3-stage pump. oil tank. It fits this. It's got a nice breather. I'm gonna reuse the Joe's remote oil filter and that stuff. We're gonna run a remote oil filter.
Are you gonna keep the axle back there?
Yeah, then I screwed up. And didn't tie up my exhaust, and I lost my Y pipe on the way home.
Wait, what?
I lost the part of the exhaust on the way home.
Oh.
Which really sucks. Unless Lenny pulled it out and put it somewhere that I don't know about, but no big deal. We'll get a Y pipe, couple elbows, get the exhaust fixed back up on it. But won't be too much longer. Now that we know that we can get this thing fired up.
Right
Gotta rebend some motor mounts for the back for it to move. We're building a new set. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but getting this pan off was a big accomplishment. We know what we got. Now we can tear into some stuff and get rolling. I got the sheet metal to pick up with motor mounts to remake the door and the half fender pieces so we can get them going. Wraps ordered, it'll be here soon. That's gonna be a surprise to everybody.
Yay.
We had a pretty good surge in the channel. Doing pretty well, pretty happy.
400
You
subscribers.
guys, over 400. We're probably gonna do a giveaway
Wait, really?
and hopefully see if we can get 500 here soon. We'll have a video for the giveaway, what we're thinking about doing. We'll do that here maybe this coming weekend. Bobby and Lenny hopefully gonna be here. We're gonna work on the pole barn. I started hanging lights tonight, and we're gonna at least try and get a jump on the electrical, insulation and stuff done, so that when it warms up, we just gotta pour concrete and go, and then we can put the garage doors up. Ordered new garage doors today, so all that should be coming along pretty quickly now, and we'll get some stuff done. We'll get some more stuff here and bring you back in on some more stuff. Oh, out of here.
Oh, God, guys. Drop the camera.
Go ahead and shut it off.
Bye, guys.